So here I've got a 2001 Volvo S60, trying to figure out what's going on. The car starts for a second and dies, and it just keeps doing that over and over again. Thought it was the fuel pump. It still might be the fuel pump, but as far as the pressure gauge goes, I do have fuel pressure. When I crank the key, let me show you what it sounds like. See, it cranks, fires up for like a millisecond every time, then dies. I'll show you what the fuel gauge looks like. It sits right at about just over 50. So it's got pressure. I'll post a link in the description to the video where I found a broken hose under the car. I'm not sure if that means anything, but it might help out a little bit. If anybody could just give me a little bit of insight or any help at all and tell me what's going on, I would really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.